Hey YouTube, Santa Frank here, and today I'm going to open up a value pack of 2019 Bowman. I've never opened one of these this year. Looks like there's some kind of bonus pack in there. It has 2 packs and then 5 exclusive camo parallels. I'll show pack odds. I'm going to freeze it and read through those. Very tough around this area where I live to find any kind of Bowman retail, so I definitely wanted to pick some up that I saw. Okay, so there's that pack, that one, and then the camo. So let's open up our nice thick packs this year with Bowman. Alright, so we got Jose Barrios, Eric Hosmer, Touki Toussaint, Brad Keller, Nicholas Castellanos, Jacob deGrom, John Duplantier, Chrome, Brad Keller, ready for the show. There's a nice Joey Bart, first Bowman, DL Hall Chrome, V-Lad Jr., and Jay Groom. So that was a pretty interesting pack there. Alright. Got Yadier Molina, Sean Reed Foley, Brandon Lowe rookie, Dakota Hudson rookie, Danny Jansen rookie, Kyle Wright rookie. Got Jonathan India Chrome, Dakota Hudson top 100 prospect, Keegan Thompson, Leota Tavares Chrome, Anthony Siegler, Dustin May. Alright, let's see if we get anything in the camo pack. This little piece off of me. Be nice to pull Wander Franco out of this. Alright, so they're green parallels. Don't really look camo, but anyway, there's Ryan Weathers, Jonathan Hernandez, Peter Alonso, that's a nice one, Keegan Thompson, and Nolan Gorman. Man, that was a pretty good little green camo pack, and then that filler. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.